What is up, crypto fam? Welcome to a new video, and in this video we're going to be having a look at a Blofin tutorial and how you could potentially be making $100 a day trading crypto futures. This exchange, Blofin, is backed by KuCoin, one of the top 5 leading cryptocurrencies exchanges today, and also backed by Fireblocks. Okay, we're going to be talking about futures, spot orders, proof of reserves, and etc., and how you can potentially win a Rolex or $5,000 to your next big trip. So if you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. And if you guys do want to sign up, make sure you click on my link in the description below. Diving into the exchange of Blofin, where whales are made, we're going to be having a look at how to deposit, how to withdraw, spot orders, future orders, some strategy, copy trading, and pretty much that's about it. But the first thing that I do want to talk about is the proof of reserve. Now, you might be wondering or asking yourself, why is this so important? Well, a lot of exchanges, fail, they go bankrupt. I mean, they're not really transparent, and it could lead to, a lot of big disasters down the road. Okay, so we saw a lot of exchanges going down, down the drain. And we could see right here, proof of reserve is obviously very, very important. USDT 125% reserve ratio, Bitcoin 110%, and Ethereum 112.6%. So I just want to put this out there. You could view the audit. You could also view the wallets right here, download it. I mean, it's completely up to you. But in this video, we're going to be having a look, obviously, at a tutorial, how to make money and how you could potentially be making $100 a day. So having a look right here, the overview. Obviously, this is going to show the account, the funding account. You have spot, futures, you have copy trading. You also have earn if you guys are willing to essentially make some passive income. Maybe perhaps you want to hold USDT and just make, 10% a year. So how do you deposit is very, very simple. You're going to go ahead and click deposit right here. You're going to go ahead and click this, the crypto you want to deposit. So USDT is a very, very common one. And of course, you're going to go ahead and click what kind of crypto you want, what kind of blockchain or network you want to do. So you could go ahead and do Arbitrum 1, Solana, AVAX, Polygon, BNB, and etc. So, at the end of the day, this is really up to you and how you want to do it. And after that, you're most likely going to see your reset deposit right here with the text ID. Now, obviously, withdraw is pretty simple as well, guys. If you want to withdraw USDT as well, all you have to do is pretty much select the network. Obviously, BNB or BEEP20, the fee is the cheapest. So, if you guys don't have much money, I would probably go with that. Or Polygon, minimum withdrawal is $10. Arbitrum fee is 0.6 cents or 60 cents. So pretty cheap. And obviously that's about it. So you're going to hit the network, put in the address, whatever it is. And that's about it. I mean, nothing too crazy to see over here, guys. The amount, you could go ahead and click that. And that's about it. So let's have a look and go on overview and how you could transfer to spot and of course transfer to futures. If we have a look right here, this is my total equity, the funding account 750. We're gonna go ahead and hit transfer. We want to do USDT funding account to futures account, or let's do spot account. Let's do $100 right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and transfer $100 to my spot account. Now, this is a platform really dedicated to futures trading. Okay, so it's not really dedicated to spot, but they do have a lot of spot crypto. So let's have a look at Solana. Solana is one of the most, with meme coins and whatnot, it's one of the most and best crypto exchanges out there, right? So we're gonna go ahead and click limit order. And I think that Solana is going to come back down and maybe retest 155. So we're going to go ahead and do 1.55.7. Okay, that's going to be my limit order. I'm going to go ahead and hit max. The total of USDT will be, of course, $98. And pretty much that's about it. And we're going to go ahead and hit buy SOL. Okay, 0.642 SOLs. We're going to go ahead and confirm that. And pretty much once my crypto does get to 155.70, I will pretty much be getting, my order will pretty much be getting filled. We're going to go back to overview. And of course, we're going to go ahead and try to do spot orders. Okay, so spot futures order. Spot is very explanatory. I mean, a lot of people, 99% of people who are in crypto will eventually do spot orders. I mean, you can't just, even 100%, you can't just be in crypto and never did a spot order in your life. But you could see, guys, that the platform is pretty clean. You have on what is Bitcoin, you have the technology, the roadmap, the progress, you have the charts, obviously. I mean, if you look on Aave right here and you go on info, you could see that you have the same thing: token performance, ecosystem development, token economics, and etc. So it's very interesting to have that. A lot of crypto exchanges don't actually have that, and pretty much that's about it. They do have a trading bot and copy trading as well. Now remember, guys, this is a no KYC platform, okay? So you don't need KYC, you don't need a passport, you don't need anything. All you need is a username and email to pretty much continue. So if we have a look right here at the spot account, and I do want to transfer my money to the futures account, we're going to go ahead and transfer. Okay, so transfer from what to what? Let's do spot account and of course futures account. We're going to go ahead and transfer all right here, and that should be transferred right here. So we do have $100 on the futures account. We're going to go ahead and hit the futures. So like, as you guys can see right here, the futures is pretty clean. It's pretty nice. I mean, look at the order book. Everything is fresh. It's not laggy. It's looking very good. You have the info on futures as well if you guys are interested, as you know, to see that right here. You got the index, the mark price, the 24-hour high, you got the volume, which is 86,000 Bitcoins, and of course you got the funding rate. Okay, now we're going to be talking about leverage because a lot of people don't know what leverage is, and this is where I really want to explain to you guys what leverage is. Okay, so first of all, let's go on the 1 hour time frame real quick and see what's going on with Bitcoin. So you can see that Bitcoin, first of all, is below this moving average. Okay, so this is the 60 moving average, and a lot of people think that, you know, once you're below the 60 moving average, it's bearish, once you're above it, it's bullish, etc. So we could see that the 60 moving average right here on the 4 hour time frame is all the way right here at $60,000. So let's do just a scalp trade real quick and use some leverage. Okay, so let's do 10x just to give you guys an example of what leverage is. So I could see that Bitcoin is holding support region right here. It seems like we are coming back up and retesting the 60 moving average. Now, what is leverage exactly? Well, if you have $100 and you're doing 10x leverage, you're pretty much paying with $1,000. You're playing with $1,000, and in order for you to get liquidated and pretty much lose that $100, Bitcoin would have to go down approximately 10%. Now, how would you do that? It's an easy calculation. We're going to go ahead and do calculator, and you're going to do 100 divided by 10. So that's 10%. Now, assuming you were on 25x leverage, right, you would do 100 divided by 25, and pretty much if Bitcoin drops 4%, then you would essentially be liquidated and you would lose all the $100. But again, what does it mean, 25x leverage? Well, if you had $100 right here and you were to play with 25x leverage, you would essentially be playing with 2,500, which is $2,500. So that's what leverage is. It's pretty simple, pretty good, obviously. Let's do a order. We're going to go ahead and do a market order right here on Bitcoin. We're going to go ahead and confirm that, and you guys can see that my position has officially been open. So my PNL is 0.0 USDT, 0.0%. Bitcoin has been a little bit slow. Now you can see right here that my liquidation is sitting at 58,165. Okay, so let's do some calculation. 58,165 is approximately, let's do the 4 hour time frame, because it is like, you know, this is a 15-minute time frame, but it is right here, 58,000. It's approximately right here. Okay, so it would approximately be 10%. Okay, so you guys can see this is not exactly accurate, but you guys can see right here, estimated liquidation is 58,175, and 10% from the price right now is 58,171. So in order for me to completely lose this position, Bitcoin would have to drop all the way to 58,171, and that's what leverage is. The higher leverage you use, the more dangerous it is. So you could be using leverage with 3x, and if you want to lose that position completely, and of course I'm talking about isolated, I'm not talking about cross, it gets a little bit complicated. It's when you have, I'm not going to talk about cross, but isolated is pretty much what you should be doing, and Bitcoin would have to pretty much drop 33% in order for you to lose that position completely. Okay, so right now my profit is currently up 0.29, and obviously I would not be up this much if, you know, I was not on 10x, right? If I was on 10x leverage, or I was on 1x, let's say, which is spot, I would not be up 18%. I would be up 10 times less than that. So instead of me being, 18 cents or 20 cents, I would be up 2 cents. So I hope that makes sense for a lot of you guys. And this exchange, guys, like I said, it's it's a pretty clean, pretty good exchange. I'm going to be leaving this trade right here, 24 cent, up 0.25%. Obviously, this is with 10x leverage, like I said, guys. Now, something else that I do want to explain right here, as you guys can see, I'm looking at my screen, is the pretty much trading and deposit to win bonuses and Rolex. So if you deposit right here, you can get up to 15% cash back and up to 7,500 bonus futures. Trading volume above $1,000 will earn you a $20 bonus. Trading volume above 1 million will get you new AirPods. And of course, trading volume above 5 million will get you a new Nintendo Switch. Trading volume above 20 million will get you an iPhone 15 Pro Max worth $1,500. And of course, a trading volume of 20 million will get you a MacBook Pro M3 chip with a value of $2,500. Now, you might be saying, oh, wait, that's so much money. It's actually not that much money because you could be playing with 20x, 30x leverage, and you could also be making money, okay? So instead of you going out, withdrawing those funds, you could be getting a free MacBook Pro. And of course, guys, trading volume with $50 million, you could be getting an Apple Vision Pro, which is worth $3,500. And of course, anything above $100, you will be winning, or you will get a $9,000 Rolex. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I mean, a lot of people in crypto want to flex that Rolex. They want to have that jewelry and flex it, etc. So that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like,